This is Ellie.
Hi.
And this is Jordan.
This is the weird thing.
A picture.
And the llama.
And it's snowy rain.
Snowy rain. Snowy rain. Snowy rain.
We're still at school. Well, me and Jordan are going to see if we can upload a video every day for a week. Like what Amazing Phil did. PMVEDFAW. It's JADMVEDFAW and enjoy the llama for Dan. Okay, bye.
Ellie has a Mexican moustache.
Yeah!
Yeah, she does. No, she doesn't.
Oh, that happened yesterday. Okay, we're gonna. Oh, let's go to the toilets and see if the tap works. Yesterday we kind of accidentally broke a tap, the middle one. Woo!
Mr. Soapy Soap, which is backwards.
Yeah, the top works.
But when I do it doesn't.
Yeah, it stops. It never stops. I can't spin it.
Never mind. Let's go.
Does it still work?
Yeah.
Should we rave in the toilets again?
No, let's go.
Can we rave in the toilets again?
Yeah.
Rave in the toilets.
Llama rave.
Put a song on. We are going to rave in the toilets, and I have my coat on.
Going to rave
No One Direction.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but I strongly dislike One
Skrillex?
Direction. Yes.
What, Bang Bang?
Yeah! Alright, let's go! Bye!